So recording is in progress now. Let me come to my. What you are seeing currently on the screen, is this a notepad or some other window?
Not notepad.
Okay,
It's presentation.
okay. Are you able to see my notepad now?
Yes.
Yes,
I,
yeah.
Okay, okay. So I'll keep on writing here. First of all, we need to sign up with Azure. Okay, so that is most important. Then second tool is you need to either install Putty or Super Putty or MOBA Extern or CMDR, any one of these tools. So I'll suggest MOBA Extern or CMDR. Okay, so I'll just let me share my entire screen so that you can see the rest of the things also. One second. If I switch screen, you should be knowing it. Okay. Okay. So here is the link to download. I'll share with you now itself, and I'll keep as part of notes as well, so that same notes, the running notes, I should be able to share with you guys.
sir, will you share this notepad?
Yeah, yeah, I'll share. I'll share. You don't have to work on that, like noting and all that, not required. Just concentrate on what I'm telling or what you have to install. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just writing down. Then I'll let you know what we need to do. I'll guide you through. Okay. So first of all, actually, you should be start. You should be signing up with Azure. So Azure, if you go to Azure portal, One second, guys. So I've been not using it for past few days. I was using company's profile. Okay, so I have recorded the steps. Let me show to you. So let's not waste time here. So let me show to the recorded steps. That also will share with you. Okay, don't worry. Everything you will get. So first of all, you need to go to this URL. Okay, so I'll share with you and just go to that URL. I'll guide you through the steps. Okay, so then go through start free. You will get a screen and it will say start free. Once you clicked on start free, and then you need to input your ID, sign in with any of your Microsoft ID. And if you don't have Microsoft account, you can create one through here itself. Create one option is there. No? So from here you can create one. Let me know if I'm going fast or if you're facing an issue.
That means, sir, I have to open Microsoft ID account, right? If I have not.
Yeah, yeah. You if you give your Microsoft ID account, then you'll be able to sign in with Azure. Because Azure, what happens? Your Microsoft account is there, na? So it gets links to even if you create a number of accounts, still it will not allow you to create like there are people they take benefit of free account, right? So there you'll not get be able to. Once you get that free account, after that you need to pay for that.
Okay.
I think Somo, you should be having this account, right? With you.
Yes, sir. I already created
Yeah, yeah,
the
because
account.
since you already worked on it.
Yeah, yeah.
And Anil, you have this kind of account, or you also have to create?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay.
So I think I have my account from my company's account, not my personal account. Maybe I have account. So it is I can use either, or I have to open an new
Use your
account.
personal account. Don't use company's account. Create your Microsoft email and then use it here.
Okay.
So once you click on create account, this kind of screen will be there. These steps I'll share with you, even if you not able to complete everything. So you need to come completed steps tomorrow.
And what is the free tier duration we get with Azure Cloud?
Sorry.
In Azure, what is the free tier duration we get? Like in AWS, we get 1 year, right? Free tier
Here
duration.
also one year is there, and you can go through actually once you click on start free, so there it will show you, and there also once that free options are over, then you can go pay as you go. So you can take smaller instances and then you can use those instances. Because now my account is on pay as you go. Start free actually I took around last year a day. Yeah, last year I took and it's all over. So I don't remember now as of now. Yeah. So there are free credits, 200 or $300 free credits you will get it. And they have for practice they have a separate setup is there that also we can do it. So that will not get charged through even for the free account, right? Okay. So once you create your email account, so even I created for my this account it was not there. So I created with this, but I don't remember my password also. So that's the reason I was not able to log. Then once you give your email ID, then it will ask you to create a password. Then enter your password. So you will get a code on your email account which you are given while creating. So once you enter that code to verify the email,
That means I have to open, or the account will be exist on Gmail account, right?
no, no, any
For
account whatever exists that should exist, and with that you can sign up. Now these are open IDs actually, so you can sign with any of the account. But there you are creating one account in the Microsoft itself, okay, with that email ID. So that will become your user ID, okay.
okay,
So in that user ID you will get a code. You need to enter a code.
okay,
So usually you should create with which you regularly use your email ID, right? So that you can remember it, right?
yes.
Then after that, once code is inputted, then verify your email address through that code. Then it will ask you puzzle.
Mm.
Once that puzzle is resolved, then you will reach to your profile. Then you need to input the required things, their phone number and all mandatory items, and they'll ask you the PAN ID also. Let me know if you have the still PAN ID.
it required to put pen ID or it is optional?
It's mandatory marking. It just because it's a highlighting here. It's
Okay.
saying optional, right? Down is optional. You can skip it. Okay. Then finally sign up with the terms and condition that there is no optional option. So you need to just check and go next. So in the meantime, okay, tomorrow I'll keep ready. Shubham, are you doing these steps because these are sign up to a portal? So, so you don't have to do anything with your system. Okay.
So right now, I'm not able to do because I have to create account one in this laptop because I'm using a
Not
company's
in,
Gmail ID.
yeah, you can use your email ID, right? Whatever email ID you have, it's not mandatory there you should use Gmail ID. Any email ID or whatever you have, you can use that. Just create today itself
Yeah,
because tomorrow we need to start.
yeah. Today I will be created.
Yeah. So let's do it in the class itself. If you are facing any issues, let me know. So in the meantime, those who have actually signed up, so they need to go for the next step is Moba I have shared the link for it. So just go through that link and download that software. Yeah. So there you'll find some options. Be careful. You need to download the personal software, personal option, community version. Okay. If you go here, you will get home edition and then professional edition, right? Don't go for the professional edition; it's paid, so no need of going to that part. So Anil, have you worked on Mobile Extra or Somu?
Yeah, I worked on both Putty and Mobile Stem.
Okay, okay, okay. So which
Putty and
one do you
Mobi. Yeah.
prefer?
I prefer Putty mainly.
Okay, okay. So if you don't have Putty, then please download. If have, it's okay. So Anil, you also
Yeah, I've got both in my system.
okay, okay, okay. That's great.
So we have to download the free version or paid version?
Free version.
Okay.
Sir, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, please share the links once again because right now I'm using a laptop, so I'm not able to see the message.
Okay, no issues.
There are two options there. It's a portable edition and installer edition. What will I choose?
Port, Portable. One second. Let me check. If you one second, immediately you'll get MOBA term now it will say, and then if you click on it, you'll get two options. One is home edition, one is professional edition. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes, yes. I
Yeah,
will click in download now.
yeah.
After
Download under that
free version,
home
free
edition.
version,
Yeah.
home edition. After that, it will come the two option
Hmm.
in portable edition and installer edition.
After clicking,
You can download anyone, no issues.
Okay.
You can go with the installation issue.
Installation edition, installer edition. Okay.
okay, so we have to use installation edition, right, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, both are same, both will work same, but
Hello?
installation addition will be easier for you. Yeah. So is it installed?
Yes, I have installed Mobile Extreme
Yeah.
application.
So just start your mobile store screen. Click on that icon, whatever after installation you got it shortcut, right? Just click on that. And are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Shubham, are you also?
No, sir, right now. I have a net issue, so I'm just fixing the net.
Okay. And then you need to install Maven and Java. So Java steps, let me give to you the Java steps. So that installation part I want to finish it today itself. So everyone is having Windows 10 or 11? What? So 11 is
Yes, I am
not
having Windows 10.
okay. 11 is not there in the market. Only few new systems.
Yes.
Sir, please send the link
Yeah, yeah, that
once
I'll
again
share.
on the
Which one?
okay, previous as well, apart from the mobile stream.
Okay. For Azure one you're saying, right?
Yes, Azure and one more.
Yeah. So Azure, Shubham, you can do it anytime. Okay. So before that, actually, let's install rest of the softwares. So you need to download Maven. I'll share you the link also.
Okay.
In the meantime, download Java standards also. Java standard. Okay. So for Maven, you can download this binary tar.gz. Okay. So this link. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
So if you're not sure, I'm sharing you the screen link for it. I'm putting into the notes. The notes I'll share with you, and I'll be sharing here. Directly, you can download from here. You have 64-bit system or
Yes, 64-bit.
okay. So you can. I'll share you the link also for the Java to download. Okay, let me paste it here. Somu, Anil, if you don't have Maven and Java installed, please install on your system.
Yes, sir. Java, I think I have 11 actually, 11 point.
That's fine. 8
That's
and
fine,
above.
right?
Yeah, The 8 and above it
Okay.
should be there. Yeah,
Okay, then I'm doing this one, Maven. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. So downloaded Java and have you downloaded Debajoy, have you downloaded Java and Maven? Or is it getting downloaded?
It's getting downloaded, sir.
Okay, no issues. Let me share this link also to install it. One second. Let me put into notes as well. So these are the steps. If you're not able to understand, once let the software download. Then after that we'll perform these steps.
Sir, it is downloading by zip file. I have to unzip file.
It's okay. You just unzip. Have I shared Windows installation link, Windows download link? Have I shared with you?
Windows
Yes,
or
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So once Windows is installed, then you need to window will once you download that exe file, you just click on that. You will be able to install it. And in the meantime, once it is getting installed, you can start installing Maven. So Maven is just you need to unzip that file which you downloaded, and if you have tar, you can put this command tar xzvf and the name of the file that you can do it on your Mobaxterm screen is there, no? So there you can do it. Once you untar it, and then I'll tell you the next steps.
Uh, Hello, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Can I do later, sir? Because my system is hanging now. It's not working.
Okay, I'll share the. I have shared mostly all the required links. Okay,
Okay. And
so you
can
finish
you please
it.
also note down, sir, step by step process?
That I
Uh,
have shared with the link with you for steps also.
okay. Okay,
I
then.
have yeah, yeah, latest steps I have shared with you. Actually, if I think it should be there in the actually that chat. One second, let me check out.
Sir, you have shared two links, two download links. And is
No, no.
Maven
After that, no, no. After that, install HTML Apache Maven. It's there, right?
Apache? Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm going to install
So
Apache
anyhow,
Maven.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
There are lots of options are there: bin, boot, config, license. So
Yeah, yeah,
where can I find installation part?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll come to that point. So can you go to your mobile external terminal and just type this
Okay.
command? I'm showing my screen. One second. This command: echo java underscore home, and don't forget to put these percentage marks.
Okay, just this my opening. Just
Yeah, no
give me
issue.
time.
No issues.
Sir, I'm getting two options: the light and dark, and start local terminal.
Start
This
local
type of.
terminal. Yeah. Just copy this line. Okay, where it is written Windows tips. If you haven't navigated this install.html, just navigate to this link and then paste it here.
So
Okay.
where from I link the get the link? Oh, this one. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. I think,
Eco slash eco. Sir, where I can copy this eco
okay.
percentage.
Let's have you installed the Java?
So I have installed the MOBA
J-
Extreme.
no, no. After that, there was link given for Java exe file. Have you downloaded and installed this one?
No, no, no. Just check me.
Download it.
Let me check. Let me check. Okay, Java link.
Shall I share you the link again or you found it?
I got it. I got it
Okay,
from
okay,
this.
okay.
Download Java download.
Yeah, it is under Windows. I have just sent you the link and directly it will download the required software.
Sir, which one? The latest, last one was Maven Apache link.
No, no, one second. One second. Let me copy again. I don't remember now exactly what was that. Let me copy again. Okay. This one.
Okay.
Just click on it. And I have put it into notes also.
Yes. Uh, which one I have to download? A once ARM64 compressed archive. This
No,
one. This
one
one.
second, one second. One second. Let me check out.
Yes. This screen will appear.
Go to the Windows.
Windows. Okay. Windows.
So there you can download anything, x64, MSI or anything. So
First option.
better you go for first option.
Okay.
So Anil, have you installed Maven?
I already have it in my system.
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir. I'm just doing it. Yeah,
okay,
I'm
okay,
almost done.
okay.
Will you be covering any Node.js related project also?
Yeah, that will do.
For that, we'll have to download this npm, right? npm build tool.
Yeah, you can download. We'll be later on downloading. So as we go ahead, whatever the tools are required at that moment, we'll be installing. So at the moment, actually, when we are starting, we need this. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, I have downloaded Java. Okay. Then same option are there, different type of bin, config,
Yeah,
include.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So what you need to do, in which folder you are now currently?
I am, sir, folder in JDK, JDK
Yeah,
175.
yeah, just get the complete path.
So by entering on this folder, there are different type of folders are there. Folders and files are
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Only
Include
only
link.
that till that folder, main folder. Okay.
Okay.
Just copy the path. Whether you have installed in C folder or D folder, complete path till that folder, you
Yes.
need to
I
just
have
copy.
installed in download folder. Okay, no issue. But there is a
No,
folder.
no,
It's
no,
a
no. Yeah, keep in somewhere. Don't put it into download.
okay.
Mistakenly, you can delete it also. Keep in somewhere.
Oh,
If you have D folder, you can put it in D folder. If you
okay.
have C,
I'll put no issue, no issue, no issue.
yeah,
But where I can copy the link. Link I can find any link there. There is some folder over there. Folder and files.
yeah. Link is not required. Only folder files will be there.
Yeah, yeah. It's showing folder and files.
Yeah, so main folder JDK, whatever was there, just till that JDK overall complete path, just keep in somewhere in C drive under your
Okay.
username like this. It will be there. I'll let me show you to you.
Okay.
If you go to your PC, here you will be having some users, right?
Hmm.
And then again user. So somewhere here you can create your software in the name of software. Just create it here. Okay, custom software or somewhere. Create some folder and keep it there.
Okay. All the folders, right? Which I have downloaded.
Main folder you pick, all rest of the folders will come, right? Main folder, if you copy paste, rest of the folders will come, right?
Yes.
So paste, create a one directory, softwares, custom softwares you can say. Okay, or
Okay.
needed software, whatever name you want to give, just give it and move under that. Hey, sorry guys, it's getting delayed, so hope you all are fine with this, right? If there is an issue, someone has to go to the office and someone is getting delayed, please let me know.
Till time it's okay, but I
Okay.
am okay with it, no problem.
Okay.
So yes, I've shifted the three folder in user
Okay.
account.
So what you shifted? Maven and Java and what else?
Both Maven, Java, and three. I have downloaded three folders.
MOBA
Maven,
external. You also moved there. Okay.
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. No issues.
Java Extreme,
Okay.
both.
And just go to the JDK folder. Just copy that path, full path, and I'll show you how you need to do setup for this. Okay.
Full path means, sir, where I can find the full path,
Okay. I'll
like a
tell you.
full.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Like let's assume. Let me see where my Java is there. I don't know where it is. So let's say this is your JDK folder. I'm assuming a program file as a your JDK folder. Once you open it, na, right?
Okay,
So
okay,
just click it here, just copy it. Highlighted part,
okay,
just copy it, okay?
okay, okay,
And after that, go to the PC if you have Windows 8 system, and then sorry, PC, and then you can go to the properties, and there you'll get advanced settings.
okay. Yes.
Okay. Uh, have you reached to the advanced settings after copying that path?
Copy and from my this PC
Yeah, yeah,
properties.
yeah. Properties, then advanced system settings on the right hand side. Are you able to see on my screen?
Yes, advanced system settings. Okay.
Yeah. And then go into the once you get this window environment variables, get into this one. Okay.
So there are three settings options are there. Which one I choose?
Down environment variables. You just follow me what I've been doing. Where my cursor is there. Are you able to see my
Okay, okay,
screen?
okay. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Environment variables.
Yeah.
Okay,
So come to this screen and just go to new. Okay.
okay,
New variable down, not on top one. Okay.
okay.
Put here Java underscore home like this, all in caps.
Java underscore home. Okay.
Have you done it? And then
Yes.
down where value is there, just paste your path, whatever you have copied.
Okay.
Once you've done that, okay,
Okay.
then have you done it?
Yes.
Then the next step is you need to search path here. Just click anywhere and search for the path. Click here anywhere
I
and
have to
search for
click
the.
OK or cancel.
No, no, okay, okay, no cancel because you're saving it, right? Cancel, you lose your variable, right?
Yes, yes.
And then you go to the path.
Path.
Yeah, click on the path. Are you able to see my
Yeah.
screen? I'm showing the steps. Yeah.
Click on the path. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So just click on the last step and then enter new.
Last steps. What will
Last
C
means
program?
yeah, yeah. So enter
Okay.
new, yeah, and you'll get your this thing, right? one empty input box, right? So there you need to write, see me, like
I
this.
have to I have to edit, right, or
Yeah,
something.
yeah, edit, yeah.
Yeah, okay, okay.
So, no, no, sorry. Once this window opens, go to the last record or last
Okay.
record, then you click on new. A
New.
new
Okay.
edit option will be there, blank,
Okay. Yes.
blank option, yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So in that blank option, what I have written, that means percentage sign before and after. That means whatever the value you have stored in Java home, we are accessing
Mhm.
it, okay? And then you need to put it one backward slash and then bin you need to write. This is how, then save it. You're able to see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Similarly, you have
Perc-
to do it, okay?
Percentage Java. Sorry. Percentage Java.
So before and after percentage you need to put. Before Java
Okay.
home and after, yeah.
Is percentage.
Hope you have given name Java underscore home. If you kept it blank, that will be difficult.
No, no, no. I'll same
Yeah.
backslash I have to give now.
Have you saved it? Just say OK after that. And don't change any other record, otherwise your
Sir,
system will
I'm
become
working right
corrupt.
now.
Sorry?
Save.
Yeah.
Save means okay. Save means okay. I'll do okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Okay.
So I'm canceling since I was doing for you. And after that, can you open Mobax term new? Just close it and open it once again.
Which one, sir? Mobile.
Mobile X term, just close from the top right hand side and just open that software again.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And just write on the screen, or you can copy paste from here. You can copy paste from here, or Maven installation screen, and just copy paste on the screen and check whether it's showing your Java path or not. So it should show. If it is not showing, just put CMDR and check. Put here run window. Just put CMD. Just enter it, and you will get the Windows terminal. Just enter this echo Java underscore home, and you should be able to see the path which you are given, like this.
No, sir. It's not seen, sir, in my computer. Just hold on.
So
I have
I'll
to
be,
go again.
yeah,
Java
David.
screen, right?
Sorry.
I have to go again in Java screen, right?
No, no, no. You have to go just right in the run window here. Are you able to see my screen, right?
Yes. Yes.
Just put CMD here, CMD here, and enter. Put enter. Then you will
From
get this
command prompt, right?
terminal. Okay.
CMD from Mobi Xterm terminal. I
No,
have to
no,
put
no, no. From your run window here.
okay, run window. Okay. Okay. Okay.
I'll just type once again, and you can see it. Just enter it, and
Command
here,
prompt.
yeah, here you have to do it echo Java underscore home, and then you'll enter. Then you should be able to see your path, which is there for your JDK.
Yes. I open my command prompt, and
Mhm.
from there I have to enter.
Echo Java underscore home with the
Echo Java,
percentage
AC.
marks, yeah, beh- before and after that with that string, yeah,
User, okay. And after that, so what will I type? Echo Java.
yeah. Echo. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes, I am able to see your screen.
Just type this.
Okay, okay. No, sir, this option I cannot see, sir, in my command prompt.
No, no, you will see only this path in your command prompt, right? Then after
Yes,
that
yes.
you just type it echo. Echo.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. I have to type. No, okay.
Hmm.
ECHO. Echo, echo percentage. AAVA Java home.
Yeah.
HOV home. Yes. Echo percentage Java home.
Java home, then all in caps, and then after that again percentage sign.
All in caps, right? Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Just percentage Java home percentage. Yes.
So are you able to
Enter.
see? So, yeah.
Sir, showing that it's not recognized as internal or external command, operable program or batch file.
And then what name you are given there, you need to check. The same name should be there. What you are trying to access it here. Okay. A same name should be
So
there in your PC settings. You can check it out. I'll share this recording. You can look into and you can
I
install.
missed to put underscore sign. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah.
ECHO echo.
Okay. So I'll be stopping the recording now and